wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music lab with a mad reaction. You don't know what time it is, gang. Yeah, man. You see what we are doing today, yo. That mafia, we there back in the. They are back in the music lab with the artist, no stranger to the channel. They are back with Plumpy Bass, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And the one the last track we reacted from Plumpy Bass was one Nuclear. And before that, I believe it was either Lethal or We Now Wait featuring Castle and Jaja. You feel me? Now, Plumpy Bass the back here with another track. You feel me? This one is actually a audio, it's not the video. You feel me? Just dropped it like a day ago or so. You see me, this one entitled My Favorite. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with today. Now, judging from the title, I'm thinking he's gonna be talking about some girl thing, you know what I'm saying? Some girlish thing, you know, see me more like about his favorite girl or something, you know what I'm saying? Along that line, judging from the title and the artwork. So we'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. But before we jump in that track, you don't know what time it is, that mafia. Code up. You don't know code is life, so do the right thing, man. You don't know, hit the like and subscribe button. If you're new to the channel and know what the code is, over there, so our code we live by. You see me? If you're watching the video, like the video, and if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. So that's the code that we live by. So let's join the family and do the right thing. You see me? What I'm saying? You don't know code is life. But yeah, man. Plumpy Bass back in our music club today. We'll check him out, you know what I'm saying? We've been slacking a little bit on our Plumpy Bass reaction, but we started back later. We started back with our reactions, and now you see dog drop a new track, and we definitely go check it out and see what dog I deal with today. So we're not going to vibe much longer. We're going to react to it and then we're going to chop it up at the end, you feel me? Let's jump right now. Track. This is Plumpy Bass, my favorite. Let's get it.
Do not pay somebody to build you a Shopify store.
Come on, man. The fuck y'all got going on, okay? Come on, let's get it.
Yeah, she a bad bitch, love suck dick, solo and spit, all night shit, and watch Netflix, coming off face, wild little freak, she on my favorite.
So now start you off my old she a bad bitch, solo and spit. No, hey, yo, whoa, bro, you even give us time to get into the track, bro. But no, she a bad freak, alright, no say a word.
Yeah, back shot, slap it on your ass, twerk up the thing, girl, raise up my hand, body fit, titty stiff, pussy looking at your dress, shift it to the side, and now fi bust it off. Tight pussy, girl, you a top chance, skin clean every day, you a living girl thoughts, when you walk on the street, you make the killer them pause. Yo, where I do find man?
No one here, man said dog, back shot. Hey, mama, top free, bro. You know what I'm saying? Mama, make your dog. It's like say, yo, do the thing with me at race. I say, I catch heart attack, you know, you out enough like that, you know, I become like, I'm gonna say nobody's name. Let's get it.
And come, wine for me. Boom span cocky like Lola Bunny. Psycho freak, say she a go send for me. Dunk in the hole.
Man say, yo, boom pan it. Wine pan it like, where dog say, blood clean like Lola. Like Lola, where that say Lola Bunny Psycho, she a psycho freak. You get play on word. That Psycho Bunny, the brand Lola Bunny from car. Yeah, it was a play on word. Alright, good shit, Plumpy. Come on.
Space shambuli, pussy tight and warm like fever. And I'm a phone, my save there, I squeeze her. Body clean, model type, you a diva. Nigga like the night, bad bitch, you me feel for. You me feel.
Dog say pussy tight and warm like fever. You know your phone, me save there, I squeeze. Come on.
You me feel far, but you tight up pussy underneath ya. Big long cock in your stress reliever. Up and down, pan body like Caesar. Make up one on now, she a racer. Love when you play with the balls, FIFA. Your tight pussy save me, you a keeper.
I mean when you play with the balls, like FIFA, my girl. I have tear about chills and pills.
Bend over, make me see it now. Yeah, baby. Both chicks get a big loud slap. #1 pan the billboard spot. Love when you start bunny hop and cock, and me squeeze up your breast while you in a back shot. Good fuck, make you take a long nap.
Like when you start bunny up. Oh, dear, easy.
Me a revive the fuck, make we start from top. Bedroom bully me now in a long chat, so your pussy I not do but me I go knock.
Yeah.
Wine for me. Boom span cocky like Lola Bunny. Psycho freak, say she a go send for me. Don't kill
man say boom span me teeth, like Lola Bunny, psycho freak, say she. Yeah, man, you get it? Psycho Bunny. Yeah. It is
Space shambuli, pussy tight and warm like fever. And I'm a phone, my save there, I squeeze her. Body clean, model type, you a diva. Nigga like the night, bad bitch, you me feel for. Yeah. back shot, slap it on your hands. Twerk up the thing, girl, raise up my hand. Body fit, titty stiff, pussy looking at your jaws.
Easy now, man. Body fit, titty stiff, pussy lick in her jazz, man. Come here.
To the side, man, I feel bust it off. Tight pussy, girl, you a top chance. Skin clean every day, you a living girl thoughts. When you walk on the street, you make the killer them pass.
Yo, where I do find man?
And come, wine for me, wine for me, wine for me. Boom span cocky like Lola Bunny. Psycho freak, so she a go send for me. Dunk in a hole, space shambling.
Yeah, me and man donkey in a whole Space Jam. Hey, the boy Plumpy, you know. That remember doing no Space Jam. Lola Bunny. They have the cycle and you nigga fit all that in. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. This man actually had a childhood. You know what I'm saying?
Sit tight and warm like fever. And on my phone, my save there a squeezer. Body clean, model type, you a diva. Nigga like the night, bad bitch, you me feel for. You me feel for, you me feel for. With the tight up pussy underneath ya. Up and down, body, seesaw. Make a porn on now, she a real star. She a bad bitch, love suck dick, swallow and spit.
Easy no dog, yo, yeah, but yo. Alright, the girl, me know the girl, man, I love the one. You see me? So all the damn mafia females, I know what y'all think about this one. You know what I'm saying? I want to say about the one, favorite by Plumpy Boss. Alright, the one, come here.
All night shit, I watch Netflix. Coming off face, wild little freak. She on my favorite.
Yeah, my favorite. Yeah, man, Plumpy Boss. Yeah, man, if she do all that thing, then we talk about how I can't see why. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that was dope track. Plumpy Boss the backyard, and I want for the girls, them. You know what I'm saying? This is for the Dan Mafia ladies, the one near my favorite. You don't know. Ladies from where they know say you're the favorite one. You know what I'm saying? If not the only one. You know what I'm saying? Big up on the damn self. You see me? Yeah, man. I say a word, and definitely let me know what your favorite part of that one, man. You feel me? Go drop the comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up. And if you like the one, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco dance. You don't know what time it is, man. Yeah, and we're going strong over here, man. You know, don't know. Let me know the favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Yo, guys, gang, remember, go join the Discord. Link is in the description. Go join the Discord. Become part of the gang. Become part of the family. You can send me videos. You can send video requests. You're gonna see previews, early previews. You'll be notified as soon as the videos drop. What else? Yeah, you can speak to me directly. We'll be chopping it over there, man. We'll be vibing, we'll be chilling, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff. So make sure you join the Discord, become part of the family. Trust me, you don't want to miss out, you know what I'm saying. It's lit over there, you know what I'm saying. And I'm gonna be shouting out everyone that joins the Discord. So make sure you join the Discord so you can get your shout out and post you on the screen and all that stuff, man. You don't know. Yeah, man, gang. Till next time. You don't know, my boy Jambisco here with another banger. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.